This is Dr. Troy Fullerton from Bilingual Barrier Busters, and I've been asked a question by people who speak English, who are attempting to learn Spanish. On more than one occasion, I've been asked, how do people who speak Spanish handle transgenderism? How do they handle... Here's the problem. In Spanish, everything, and that is every noun in the language, is either masculine or feminine. Not just people, not just animals, not just living beings. The desk, the car, the dresser, the lamp, the chair, the light, the sky, the moon, everything. The ground, the grass, the flower, every noun in the language, it's binary choice, of course. They're either male or female, or I should say they are either masculine or feminine. And so that certainly applies to people as well. And the way that an individual says the way that an individual says the way that an individual says some, all of the adjectives have to match whatever noun they're referring to, as far as whether we're talking about something of the masculine gender or the feminine gender. So the question comes up, well, what do they do about transgender situation? Well, here's the deal. There is of late, there is some, I guess LGBTQP whatever movement within the Hispanic world, and it certainly seemed to become a movement much later than it did in the English-speaking world, probably for obvious reasons. But while that is out there, outside of that particular community, any Hispanic I've ever talked to or ever known, to a person, anybody outside of that, they would always refer to an individual by his or her real gender. I mean, a trans woman is not a woman. A trans woman is actually a man. Or a trans man is not actually a man. A trans man is actually a woman. And so, like I said, to a person, they would go by that individual's real gender. Now, this even applies to little kids if they're teasing some boy out on the playground and saying he's femi. They're still going to say he's afeminado, and as in they're going to put a masculine ending on the word because however femi they think he acts, he is in fact a boy, and it's just simply absurd to think that you would refer to a man with feminine adjectives or a woman with masculine adjectives. It's laughable. So that's the answer to the question.